So if you ever got wrecked in gas fees on Ethereum, there is something called the rekt drop, and you might be eligible for an airdrop.
Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about the chart of Bitcoin. I also want to talk to you guys about an airdrop that you might want to check your wallet and see if you might be eligible for it. So let's just get right into the video. Like the video if you're not subscribed to the channel. Check out my website, Everythingcurrencycrypto, where you can get all type of merch. You can get cool stuff on the website. Go ahead and check that out. So let's just get right into the video. So let's look at these charts real quick and look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is getting rejected by this green line right here. So this chart looks pretty busy right now, but there's a bunch of things on here that I'm watching. This white line is the main support level that makes me bullish. Once we go below that, I start to get bearish there. We got the 13 and the 34 moving averages, which just crossed, which gave us a nice launch past this volume profile, which is these white bars right here. And now we're sitting right at the resistance after breaking through all of this chop right here, and we are looking like I said, we need to cross 44,600. The main level that I want to see is crossed before I get extremely bullish would be this box right here, which is in between 45,000 and 47,000. So once we break past that, it is looking good. But nonetheless, this is my target right now. $52,000 is what I'm expecting out of Bitcoin. I'm hoping we get there. Been talking about it for a while. Got a little weary over here, but now it looks like we're headed in that direction. So let's go. Keep these bulls going. Let's try to keep them happy right now. Looking on the weekly chart, it's looking like we're getting some momentum down here on the MACD and the RSI that might push us up to those levels. Fingers crossed. Hopefully no more stupid news comes up. We need to get this week, we need to close this week, above this green line right here, like I said, which is at 44,600, because that will probably coincide with a 34 moving average. Want to see us get above that. Looking at the chart of Ethereum, because most of the altcoins are pretty much following this chart of Ethereum. Now Ethereum's actually not doing as good as some of altcoins, but this chart of Ethereum is following the total 2 charts right now. So I was looking at this instead of the total 2 charts, saying that we're trying to get past the point of control, which is around $3,100. So $3,111 is where I want to see us cross. We have a nice double bottom right here on Ethereum. We can see this is a double bottom on Ethereum. This is the 12-hour chart, but if I put it on the daily, you would also see the same thing. So the level that I want to see us get back up to, of course, is 39K for Ethereum, but there is more resistance on this Ethereum chart than there is on this Bitcoin chart. But both of these charts need to continue to have a good week, and that could change a lot of things that have been going on in this market for the last couple of months. So we're looking like we're starting a reversal, but we still have to get above these major levels and keep knocking them out of the place. So let's talk about this airdrop. So there is something called Evmos. Now Evmos is an Ethereum virtual machine on top of Cosmos, and if you don't know what that is, just look up the Ethereum virtual machine, because that's something that if you're in cryptocurrency you should know a lot about, because that's what all the ERC20s are kind of using right now. That's what most of the coins and tokens in this market are using, is Ethereum virtual machine. But it says the next wave of decentralized applications are cross-chain, so they're bringing this EVM compatibility to Cosmos, which has a bunch of tokens already built on top of it, a bunch of big platforms in the crypto ecosystem use the Cosmos SDK. So it's just this might be an integral piece of that whole puzzle, bringing the Ethereum virtual machine over there to Cosmos. I encourage you guys to do more information about that, and I will do its own video for this video right here. So if I'm explaining it kind of weird, don't worry about it. I'm going to do a full video on this, but I just want to talk to you guys right now about this airdrop. So this airdrop that I wanted to talk to you guys about, it says right here, I will put this article in the description. It says the Evmos rekt drop. This Atom Osmos ETH airdrop is better than your stimulus check. And I'm going to scroll down to the part that I'm sure you're most interested in, which is the eligibility. What are the eligibility requirements for this? It says the actions you have completed, the more tokens you are eligible for. Some categories are weighted more than others. There's different ways that you can get it. So right here it says Atom governance. So if you participate in Atom governance, it says Atom stakers. This one is interesting because it says those delegated to centralized exchanges will not get the snapshot. That's why just holding your coins and doing that soft staking, they call it, is not really that good to me, because I feel like you miss out on stuff like this. And it says we will reward based on whether or not you staked, not based on how much you staked. So this one will probably be pretty good for some people who didn't stake that many coins. So if you're a Cosmos user, you're eligible for it because of those reasons. Now if you're an Osmosis user, then of course delegating, providing LP on any of these if you're an Ion holder, or if you did a IBC token transfer, is the core of what makes Cosmos special. So if you did transfers on there, then you might also be eligible for this airdrop. And then it just goes and talks about more about Ethereum and the bridges and stuff like that. So I will put this in the description. I encourage you guys to go over there, check out the website, and it'll bring you to a page that looks like this right here, where you can connect your wallet. You see I have my teacher wallet right here, my Atom wallet, and you can see I'm going to be eligible for 184 of these tokens. Now Evmos is actually and also a pretty interesting project because it is going to be the Ethereum virtual machine on top of Cosmos. So if you don't know what the Ethereum virtual machine is, I recommend that you do some research on that if you're in cryptocurrency, because most of the cryptocurrencies in the space right now rely on the Ethereum virtual machine in order to function. And if you have money floating around in this market, you might want to be aware of what that is. And if you watch my channel, then you know I'm a big fan of Cosmos, the IBC, and the Cosmos ecosystem in general. And this is going to be bringing and trying to mesh the two so we can have some more cross-chain things going on in crypto, because my dream is that everything is cross-chain and we never have to use a bridge and all the cryptocurrencies just work together. And hopefully that happens one day in the back end without us having to worry. But right now, this is what we're dealing with. We're still early in this whole thing. So if you're early enough to get into that snapshot, go ahead and check that out. And oh, also one more thing, there is an airdrop snapshot that's going to be taken tomorrow if you are donating, or if you have donated to the Ukraine. I know some people have mixed feelings about donating, and some people say I don't care, I just want the airdrop. Some people say I just want to help. So if you do want to donate money to the Ukraine, they are going to do some type of airdrop, maybe an NFT, maybe some type of token. There's a bunch of speculation going on, but it is official from the Ukrainian government saying that a snapshot will be taken tomorrow. So let me throw that tweet up. So right here it says stand with the people of Ukraine, throw down. They even allow you to do Polkadot. Gavin Wood gave them 50 million. That was cool. But it says airdrop is confirmed. Snapshot will be taken tomorrow, March 3rd at 6 p.m. UTC. So they're just trying to get more people to help donate money. Wouldn't expect to get a lot of money out of this. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it myself. I'm not sure if I'm going to donate money to them, because I feel like I don't know what the hell is going on. So you guys, let me know if you guys are going to participate in this airdrop. Let me know if you were eligible for the Evmos airdrop, and let me know if you think Bitcoin is about to break 45,000. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you are not subscribed to the channel, check out my website. Like I said in the beginning, show a friend this channel and tell him that he could also check out my Telegram group. And if you're a beginner, that's a nice place for you to be. And if you're a legend, that is a dope place for you to be with other legends. Till next time, RIP Crypto Roots. Peace.